Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a new 2018 Work and Play 25 WAB. Come on inside. So today in this Work and Play I'm going to show you as we walk in to the left, we got some immediate cabinetry to put stuff in. Some more storage space. We got the AM/FM Furion system that plays your AM/FM, DVD, CD, USB plug-in, and to watch your movies through the television. This one has the couch that folds down, makes into a single bed if need be, or folds up against the wall for our cargo space. And when I fold that down, let me show you, unique with the Work and Play that you don't find in a lot of the other product, metal fender wells. So if I need to utilize that space, I got a solid surface to rest a tire on or snug up to if I'm a tight fit, instead of being wood or something that's going to come apart. Overhead cabinetry above. This one being it's a 25-footer. It has enough space for a lot of our toys, but not maybe in multiples, but makes a really nice package. Windows here, freestanding tables and chairs here. That this chair is a recline. Also that this toy hauler comes with a couple of tables that we can put in the floor, or you can leave out. But it does come with a table to go in front of the couch area and a little table to go in between these two chairs that can be put anywhere we want, as well as these chairs being put out on the back patio kit, underneath the awning outside, or just moved around wherever we want to be placed. Has the one-piece pull-down screen wall here to keep the bugs out. If we have the patio down, it's a nice feature. Nice solid ramp door, heavy capacity. The overhead bunk. And that powers down. It'll come down to about this this level here with the stops. The couch is in the way, so we wouldn't want to come down any further, but nice feature. Notice there are no vents in the floor for our ducted floor heat. Therefore, we're not going to spill something in a vent. We're not going to lose things. It's ducted through the cabinetry. Everything's above ground here. The walls, this is an FRP wall, so there is no electricity and or plumbing and or framework that goes along the walls in this unit on the exterior walls. It's 5/8 tongue and groove plywood laid out, fiberglass with a gel coat resin, and then set up as a one-piece wall. Very solid all the way through, all the way down. So very nice construction feature that you probably won't see in any other toy hauler that I'm aware of. Over here in the kitchen area, overhead cabinetry above, deep cabinets, nice and deep, shelving, glass inlay. Forest River, this does come with a 1-year coach net that's nice. Roadside assistance, run out of gas, they'll come and put gas in my vehicle, breakdowns, what have you. But that's a nice feature that Forest River does. This has the microwave convection, so it does both microwave and convect. Little 2-burner cooktop here with the cast iron cooktop, so it does get real hot. If we want to put a griddle down, it'll cook evenly. It's a nice feature. Little nice look for the backsplash there. One-piece countertop, large drawers underneath. This unit does not come with an oven. Comes with the convection microwave. We got the sink top covers. We got the dual stainless steel sink. Nice window in the kitchen area. This comes with the heated holding tanks. Gen prep. This one does not have a generator, but it does come gen prepped. Cabinets down below underneath the sink area. Heat duct, air intake, large refrige, double door. Notice that the fuse panels and breakers are all real easy access underneath here, so I don't have to unbury a cabinet. It's all easy access there. The heavy duty D-rings go through the floor with a metal plate on the bottom, so when if we pull tight, it's not going to suck the bolts out of the floor because there's a metal plate underneath. Also in the roof structure, this has 16-inch centers, metal roof trusses. Again, rare in the industry, just built solid. Has a one-piece metal roofing across the top. Therefore, we don't have UV rays that are going to deteriorate our roof like it would in a rubber or vinyl roofing. So very unique there, again, in the toy hauler lineup. So nice feature. Big flat screen TV. Got the big bathroom here. Toilet, ceiling fan, nice shower area. Into the bedroom. So this is their 25 WAB model. It is a front bedroom model with a walk-around bed. Cabinets on both sides with drawers. Nice headboard up front with mirror. Recessed shelving here. Individual lighting above the bed. Cabinetry above. 110 plug-ins on both sides of the bed area. Nice feature. And then we have storage up underneath the bed, lifting up. And we got some storage up underneath there too as well. And as we pan around, let's go outside. Let me show you some of the outside details. This has the new adjustable heavy-duty solid step. LED light strip underneath the awning. Power awning. Exterior speakers. Metal fender wells, they will not crack, break, tear like you see on a lot of the others. Nitrogen-filled tires. More ride suspension. Dexter axles, Dexter brakes. Self-adjusting brakes, so we don't have to take them in and have them serviced just to have the brakes adjusted. They self-adjust as we drive down the road. 12-volt fuel pump and station here. Large patio ramp door, pre-wired for a backup camera, easy assist lift for the rear door, gasoline station is on the driver's side, so as we pull into the gas station to keep the fuel system filled with fuel, it's on the same side, so I don't have to go turn around at the pump station to fill my fuel. 4 stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners, easy to stabilize the trailer once we're set up at camp. Got the range vent here, outside shower, 30 amp shore cord, nice high gloss finish with the graphics. This has got the orange color. We have about 4 different colors available in the work and play. Nice pass-through storage all the way across. Nice cap on the front end. It's a nice solid cap on the front end with the LED lights. Everything's LED light throughout, inside and out on this trailer. Propane tanks, 1 on each side. And then in behind this panel is the gen rack and or for where the batteries would go. But there is a nice pre-built rack there already with the transfer switch in case I want to add a generator, or it's just a nice area for extra storage. Large bank of batteries if we want to go solar, but you have that feature and benefit for you if you like. So you have your choice. Power tongue jack, battery disconnect switch. This unit comes with the larger air conditioner unit. Good capacities on the fresh water as well as the gray and the blacks. So this particular unit is the 25 WAB. I got a handful of the work and play products in stock. There are a handful of unique benefits that create the market for this trailer compared to a lot of other toy haulers. Lower center of gravity, metal roof trusses, just uniquely built compared to a lot of the others. But if you should have any further questions on any of our toy hauler products, My name again is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770 here in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you and have a great day.